Hi guys, I'm so glad that you could join me today. You are listening to Carmela d'Amore, international Sicilian chef and Amazon author. This video is about today. I wanted to explain about traveling in Sicily. It's really important, key component issues that we all face when traveling to a place that we've never been to before. It's really important that we understand a culture. You know, you come in everyone has culture, right? You go into a place and you know nothing about it. So it's important that you learn about the culture and the people and the food. That's important. I noticed that I've been to a few countries myself, and you have to first of all, you have to respect the culture, because the land is the hemisphere of where they come from and who they are is really important to them. It might not be to you, but respect plays a key component and a main factor when you come into a country. And the people feel that you have that respect for them. So when you go into a new place that you've never been to before, it's important that you understand their culture. That way it broadens you, not them, but you, because you're coming to a country that you know nothing about. So the first thing is always finding how the culture works, what type of people they are. Are they family orientated? Are they not family orientated? Is a money an issue? Like you can go to, for example, you can go to parts of Italy. This one's about Sicily, but just giving you an example. You can go to parts of Italy and Venetian people. You go to Venice. Venetian people are in a league of their own, absolutely in a league of their own. Don't walk in there expecting anything but examining the culture, observing the culture, not judging it. That's the first thing you will do wrong, by judging it. Observing the culture. When you observe the culture, you get your bearings and you understand them better. The Venetian people are very like the Parisians, like all about dress, all about status, all about who you are. So when you get welcomed by a Parisian or a Venetian person, you need to be introduced. It's not about just knowing the person. It's about the introduction. Then the respect factor of you is parallel to understanding. Okay, so so-and-so, signora Carmela, questa signora Fabrizia è un'amica mia, te la voglio fare conoscere. So Carmela, Fabrizia is my friend. I would like you to meet each other. So there is an introduction there. It's about understanding how people work. It's not like here. Yeah, and we still work here in the Western world. We still work better on introduction because we're still on face value. We do love how I've met this person, but it's better if I've introduced you to her. It's a parallel platform of equality. It's not about status, but it's about equality. And that's what the Venetian people are like. I went to Venice and I'll be back.